Hello, my name is Krishna Kumar, the founder of EzyPro, Hospital Quality Management System software. Through this short video, I will introduce you to this quality management system software and a short demo. The purpose of a hospital quality management system is to embed quality and compliance management in a hospital. And the name EzyPro signifies easily making quality and compliance professionals out of employees of a hospital. And this is brought to you by the company Carmen Consultancy Network. Now, the hospital quality management system is mainly driven by accreditation requirements, and they address primarily quality, safety, health, and environmental aspects. But EzyPro includes a maintenance management, asset maintenance management integrated to this platform. In addition to that, this EzyPro can satisfy any accreditation standard framework which is available. Being a software built on best practices and analytics, there are a whole set of outputs that can be derived, which I will show through the demo. Now, so if I may summarize what EzyPro addresses the needs of hospital are as follows. Every hospital has got has got health information system and medical records management, but there are some areas such as quality management and maintenance management where there are no software tools implemented. So this essentially fosters operational excellence. This is also a way of digitizing operational management, which will reduce the effort in the form of manpower effort, as well as increases the efficiency of operations. So when I say embed quality and compliance management, essentially this software helps to meet all the requirements of accreditation, and it through a software interface, it helps to automate the processes. And so the implementation becomes very efficient. And when you talk about accreditation or quality management system requirements, they traverse many requirements. For example, from managing documentation to setting goals and targets to ensuring supervisory oversight and process monitoring to auditing corrective actions and compliance management to doing many review meetings and risk management to implementing improvement actions. All these are managed through what we call modules in the software. So EzyPro is built of many modules, and the modules are designed in such a way that you can start with what you require. So for instance, and also it comes with a consistent interface so that anybody with minimal training are able to navigate through the requirements. The advantage of such a software is that it gives you a whole set of requirements like graphs and other things are instantly produced. Trend charts and graphs are instantly available. Now to ask, what is the difference between HIS, Hospital Information System Software, and HQMS? So you can see clearly here that the HQMS HIS is mainly with respect to managing the business part of it, the billing and the operational management of the patient's life cycle. While the quality management software is a complementary software to the HIS, but it addresses certain other requirements which are not often covered in the HIS or EMS software, electronic medical record software. Now, for instance, with our experience in the implementation, we find that there is a whole set of activities that being performed by this, be it monitoring, supervisory monitoring, or reporting incidents and analyzing it, or storing documents and viewing it, or putting corrective and preventive actions, quality tracking, and many other features which are there. So there is a form becomes a common way in which the operational management and the quality aspects are getting monitored and implemented. Short introduction. Now I will dive down into the demo. Now, for instance, this is a typical instance which a customer gets. And these are the various modules. As I mentioned earlier, these modules, which from quality indicator to inspections, audits, incident management, documentation, the customers can take as they grow. Now here, let me just start off with the documentation management, which is through our software, which is through a feature called document placeholder. Generally, accreditation standards vary. It could be a JCI 7th edition, it could be a Canadian accreditation system, it could be the Indian accreditation 5th edition, with many editions of that. Now, for example, I'm just opening here the requirements of the Canadian accreditation. And the documents which have been generated by the organization are all available for people to share and uploaded here, controlled in one single point. And these documents can be opened, and the users can confirm that they have read it, and the implementation will take place. And also, when the documents are uploaded for the first time, the users get an intimation that a document has been uploaded, and then they can go and view it and load it. So this takes away a whole set of management related issues, and it is all in one place. Another feature which I would like to quickly explain to you is reporting of incidents. Incident reporting is another very important. So deviations are being recorded and they're getting registered, teams are getting assigned, and implementation happens. So this whole process is managed digitally, and for instance, nobody fills in any form. For instance, if I give here a report, you can generate a report here by various people are immediately generated and displayed. Now, for instance, these are the various, so for instance, this was an incident which has an immediate action, a situation, a detailed description of the incident, and it gives a whole set of investigation which was done, and this can be easily managed in one archival of the information. And then you want to know what are the high risk, you can click here and it will immediately drill down and give you the reports of the high risk events, and you can take an Excel download. So in this way, a lot of efficiency is built into the various aspects. Even advanced aspects like Pareto charts can be quickly, you can get for the last, let us say, 12 months, you want to know the Pareto charts, you can apply a filter and then know what are the patient risk events which are there. It will segregate and give you details of that. So this is a very powerful feature, or this is the way the hospital management software is built. So there will be some workflow processes and steps. There will always be some dashboard and outputs there. Similarly, another very important aspect is monitoring, supervisory monitoring. Now, in supervisory monitoring, for example, there are many types of checklists which are activated. Now, for example, if I take a OPD documentation audit, these checkpoints are already available, and the auditor or the person who's checking it will check these instantly, the compliance of this, and it is very easy. This also can be done in a mobile, and a report can be generated with just one click, and the report will come in here. There are comments, it comes in over here. So it is very easy to do a large number of monitoring so that the compliance will become very important. And this is customizable totally as per the requirements of the hospital. So here also the comments, once they are assigned, you can assign the actions, you can update the action, you can close it, and you can get all sort of statistical summaries. For instance, to get the statistical summary, we can easily generate these reports based on the checklist type which you have used for the period, and it will give you the kind of compliance levels for a period, including the complying ones, green, and non-complying ones, and it will even calculate the percentage of the various categories within the checklist, so that it gives you the percentage of non-compliance and non-compliance, etc. So, and then there are these drill downs from here, which you can, non-compliance percentage, you can drill down that and it will give you what exactly is the audit item on which the non-compliance was and the details of that. So all what was done was a checklist was getting filled. The rest of the heavy duty analysis is done by the software. So again, this is the same process of what we saw earlier. Yeah, you have some methods of recording something. It is actions are being done here, and then you get the summary in the form of data. One of the pain areas of many of the hospital is to compute the quality indicators, and there are quite a lot of them that will be computed every month. So here you have the quality indicator, and for instance, percentage of care plan is documented for inpatients. You can see the trend chart currently, and is also given here the target and the benchmark. And these data comes from so many inpatients and how many of them have been documented. So this data is being inputted by various people assigned in the hospital. So these calculations come very quickly, and all the formula, etc., are automatically. Not only that, there are even other advanced thing of when it was approved, what is the data validation, what is the QIPIP, various things are also recorded. Efficiency and makes easy the work of the quality professionals and can be done by anybody. EzyPro supports implementing a documented QHSE system, helps to monitor, audit and check the performance, identify deviations and initiate corrective actions, set goals and track QSE indicator. So what you have seen now is a few modules or features. Certainly, once we understand what is the specific needs of your organization, we can have a deeper discussions on this. Thank you for your attention.